Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a free trial for NordVPN. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you haven't done so already, go ahead and download the NordVPN app through your Play Store. Once you've done that, go ahead and open up NordVPN. And now what we want to do, we need to sign up. So go ahead and click on sign up. So create your Nord account now to enjoy NordVPN. Now this is going to bring you up to the sign up page. So just give that a few moments to load. And now you need to create a new account. So you can either sign up with Google, sign up with Apple, or continue with email address. So for this demonstration, I'm going to sign up with my Google account. Now I'm going to choose which Google account I'm going to use. So tutorial is. All right, so once you've done that, you'll be brought to this page here. This percentage might vary, so it says 48% off plus 7 days free. I will leave a link in the description too to save even more as well. So if you want to check that out, go ahead. And now as it states here, if we look down, it says try for $0. So now let's go ahead and see how this works. So it says here 7 days free trial and how it works. So I'm going to go ahead and click onto that. So today, full access to NordVPN. Start exploring and enjoying all features of your selected plan for free. On day 5, they will send you a reminder email. So receive a reminder email about your free trial ending soon. They do this because if you let the free trial run into day 8, you will be charged for the plan for the next month or year. So be mindful of that. And day 7, your free trial, and so you pay for the first year of your selected plan if you haven't cancelled your subscription before this day. So now if you like all that, go ahead and click on try for $0. And then it states here NordVPN 1 year subscription. So it will state here starting today, 7-day free trial. And because I'm doing this in late September, my trial ends on the 1st of October, and then I'll be billed for that first year. And as it states here, you can cancel at any time in subscriptions on Google Play. You won't be charged if you cancel before 1st of October, and we'll send you a reminder, etc. And then if you got a credit or debit card linked to your Google account, it will be stated here. So I've got my Visa card already linked, so I'm going to click on subscribe. Now, as you can see, it's processing, so give that a few moments to do its thing. And now manage backup payment settings. No, thank you, not for this video. So now 1 moment, please. Your purchase is being processed. So just give that a few moments to load. And there you go. Hooray, welcome to NordVPN. Get started by connecting to the VPN. This will give you safe and private access to the internet. You can use NordVPN on 10 devices at the same time, which is pretty cool. Now from here, go ahead and click on get started. I will make a video on how to use NordVPN as well, so keep an eye out for that. And as I stated before, if you want to save some money on your subscription, just check the link in the description below to have some savings on your purchase. And I'll see you in the next video.